Welcome back to English Learning. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please click on the subscribe button and bell icon to get all the latest updates. In this video, I will explain the remaining modal verbs that are used to convey different conditions. So, let's begin. So, first are the uses of will. Will can be used to express intention. Intention or objective means what one intends to accomplish or attain. Now, look at the example. I will mow the lawn if you clean the house. Mow means cut down the grass with a machine. So, this example shows that someone is expressing his intention of mowing the lawn. Next, will is used to make a prediction. For example, the weather will be hot enough to go to the beach this weekend. So ये एग्जाम्पल शो करता है प्रिडिक्शन कि बहुत गर्मी होगी बीच पे जाने के लिए. नेक्स्ट, will is used for habitual behavior. Habitual behavior is a form of automatic and routine behavior. For example, I am not surprised you don't know what to do. You will keep talking in class. So, this example shows that a person is not surprised from the behavior of the other because it's his or her habitual behavior. Next, will is used to make a semi-formal request. Semi-formal request means day-to-day interaction with colleagues and teachers, popular magazines or books, interviews, when talking with someone in authority or whom you respect. Now look at the example. Will you open the window please? It's very hot in here. So this example shows that will can also be used to make a semi-formal request. Next, will can be used to show willingness or interest. It means will can be used to show readiness or interest. For example, we are going to go the mall. Will you come with us? So this example shows that the person is ready to go to the mall and asking for the other person's interest. Next, will can be used for making a promise or threat. For example, if you don't finish your dinner off, you will go straight to bed. So this example shows that the person is warning someone to finish the dinner or else will go straight to the bed. Next, will can be used to reassure someone or to make a decision. For example, don't worry, you will settle down quickly, I'm sure. So, this example shows that a person is reassuring the other that he or she will settle down quickly. Next, will can be used for talking about the future or past with certainty. Will future और past की बात करने के लिए भी use हो सकता है. For example, don't bother calling. They will have left for their 10 o'clock meeting. This example shows that will is used for talking about the future. Next are the uses of would. Would can be used for request. For example, would you pass the salt please? So in this example, someone is requesting, so would is used. Next, would can be used for preferences. Preference means pasand. For example, would you prefer tea or coffee? I would like to have tea please. So this example shows that would can be used for preferences. Next, would can be used to request permission. For example, would you mind if I brought a colleague with me? So in this example, a person is requesting for a permission. Next, would can be used to show habitual activity. For example, the dog would bark every time the doorbell rang. So this is the habitual activity of the dog, that whenever doorbell rings, dog would bark. Next, would can be used to inquire about willingness. It means readiness या willingness को inquire करना हो तब भी would use हो सकता है. For example, would you like to come on vacation with us this year? So a person is inquiring about the willingness or readiness of the other person to come on a vacation with him or her. Next, would can be used to comment on a likely truth. Likely truth means it will probably happen or is expected. For example, the doorbell just rang. That would be your mother. So it would probably be my mother. It is not confirmed, but it would be a truth. Next, would can be used to talk about refusals in the past. Would तब भी यूज होता है जब पास्ट में किसी चीज के लिए मना किया हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शी वुडंट राइड दैट रोलर कोस्टर नो मैटर हाउ मच वी बेग्ड हर. पास्ट में उसने राइड करने के लिए रिफ्यूज किया होगा, इसलिए वो अब राइड नहीं करेगी. ये बात हमें पता है. सो वुडंट इज यूज्ड. वुड की नेगेटिव फॉर्म होती है वुडंट और वुड नॉट. Next, would can be used to talk about habitual behavior in the past. Would तब भी यूज हो सकता है जब पास्ट के habitual behavior की बात करनी हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एवरी सैटरडे डैड वुड मेक अस पैनकेक्स. ये हैबिट चलती आ रही है पास्ट से ही कि हर सैटरडे डैड पैनकेक्स बनाते हैं. सो वुड इज यूज्ड. Next, would can be used to talk about the future in the past as the past tense of will. Would तब भी यूज हो सकता है जब हम past में future की बात कर रहे हों. will का past tense would होता है. Now look at the example. I know it would be cold, so I packed sweaters and a coat. मुझे पता था कि ठंड होगी, इसलिए मैंने sweaters and coat पैक कर लिए थे. So this example talks about the future in the past. Next, would can be used to comment on someone's characteristic behavior. Characteristic behavior are based on behavior of the person. For example, Mrs. Jones gave us so much homework, she would ruin our weekends. So in this example, a person is pointing or commenting on the behavior of Mrs. Jones that she gave so much of homework, she would ruin our weekends. Next, would can be used to express a situation that is dependent upon another action. For example, if I had $1,000,000, I would buy a fancy car. So this example shows that would can be used to express a situation that is dependent on the other action. Next are the uses of shall. Shall can be used for suggestions. Suggestions means to advise someone. Look at the example. Shall we say 2:30 then? So this example shows that shall can be used for suggestions or advice. Next, shall can be used for asking what to do. Shall तब भी use होता है जब कुछ काम करने का पूछना हो. For example, shall I do that or will you? क्या मैं वो कर सकता हूँ या आप करोगे. So shall is used for asking what to do. Next, shall can be used for offering someone help. किसी को help offer करने के लिए भी shall use होता है. For example, shall I help you with your luggage? So this example shows that shall can be used for offering help. Next, shall can be used in फॉर्मल और लीगल सिचुएशंस. फॉर्मल और लीगल सिचुएशंस में भी शैल यूज हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द प्लेंटिफ शैल बी अलाउड टू स्पीक. प्लेंटिफ मीन्स अ पर्सन हु ब्रिंग्स अ केस अगेंस्ट अनदर इन अ कोर्ट ऑफ लॉ. सो प्लेंटिफ को भी बोलने के लिए अलाउ किया जाएगा. सो शैल इज यूज्ड. नेक्स्ट, शैल कैन बी यूज्ड इन ब्रिटिश इंग्लिश टू इंडिकेट अ प्रॉमिस इन द फ्यूचर. किसी को फ्यूचर में प्रॉमिस करना हो तब शैल यूज होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द पैकेज शैल बी डिलीवर्ड ऑन थर्सडे. पैकेज थर्सडे को पक्का डिलीवर हो जाएगा. सो शैल इज यूज्ड. नेक्स्ट, शैल कैन बी यूज्ड टू फॉर्म द सिंपल प्रेजेंट फॉर आई और वी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शैल वी मीट एट 7. क्या हम 7 बजे मिल सकते हैं. सो शैल इज यूज्ड. नेक्स्ट, shall can be used in American English to form polite questions that include a polite request for permission. shall तब भी यूज होगा जब polite questions form करने हो जिसमें polite request हो permission के लिए. For example, shall I call you a taxi? क्या मैं आपके लिए टैक्सी बुला दूँ. So shall is used to form polite questions. Next are the uses of should. Should can be used to make a suggestion or advice. Should तब यूज होता है जब suggestion और advice देनी हो. Look at the example. You should try this soup. So a person is giving a suggestion to the other to try the soup. So should is used. Next, should can be used to convey the idea of an obligation. Obligation means a duty or commitment. For example, he should come to the meetings on time. उसको meetings में time से आना चाहिए. So this example shows that should is used to convey the idea of an obligation. Next are the uses of ought to. Ought to is used in the same situations as should, but with a stronger sense of obligation or intensity. For example, he ought to come to the meetings on time. He is the boss. उसको meetings में time से आना चाहिए, वो boss हैं. So ought to and should same situations में use होते हैं, but ought to strong sense में use होता है as compared to should. Next are the uses of must. Negative form of must is must not. Must is used for prohibition. Prohibition means the action of forbidding something. For example, they must not disrupt the work more than necessary. उन्हें काम ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा interrupt नहीं करना चाहिए. So must not is used for prohibition. Next, must is used to make a command in a more respectful way. Must तब भी use होता है जब किसी को command देनी हो respectful way में. For example, you must do your homework before watching TV. TV देखने से पहले तुम्हें homework पूरा करना है. So must is used to make a command in a respectful way. Next, must is used to make a conjecture but with some certainty. Conjecture means an opinion. Must तब भी यूज़ होता है जब opinion बनाना हो with some certainty. For example, it's already 9 PM, you must be hungry. 9 already बज चुके हैं, तुम hungry होगे. So must is used to make a conjecture. Next, must is used similar context to should and ought to, but with a sense of external obligation. So this was all about the uses of modals. In this video I have explained 6 types of modals: will, would, shall, should, ought to and must. Rest uses of modals are in my previous video, so check it out. We'll be discussing some other topic in my next video, so till then stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel and also add me on Instagram. My Insta ID is given in the description box, so kindly check it out and thank you.